Hey guys, so you may have heard the term limited liability company before, and you might be wondering, what is all that? So basically, you probably have actually heard of it as an LLC, and an LLC is something that keeps your business separate from your personal assets and keeps you protected in case of any issues down the line. So having an LLC for your business is absolutely crucial when you start a new business to keep yourself protected and to keep your money organized as well. So I'm going to actually show you how to file your LLC so that you can kind of get your business up and started right away. And let's say you want to start your business today, you can do that by following this video. Filing your LLC, the process to actually go through and get it done takes about a week of processing time, but for you to do it today, it's going to take less than 10 minutes. So click the link in the description below and let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you on the Taylor Brands website, and I like using Taylor Brands for filing LLCs because it's very straightforward and easy to follow along with. So you're going to start off by clicking the state you live in. I'm just going to click Georgia. You click the state that that applies for you. And now you're going to type in the name of your business. So let's just say I have, I have an eyelash extension business. So we're going to do that. And then you're going to type in the category, the industry that you fall into. So there's so many options on here. If you're not sure, just look for something that is closest to what you do. Now, the next 3 questions are essentially survey questions. So not a big deal on these if you're not positive about an answer. The next one's going to ask you how many partners. If you need to change your mind on this later on, that's fine too. And you found Taylor Brands through YouTube. You're going to hit next. And now you guys are just going to enter your personal information. This is just for them to have in case, you X out and then you want to get back in. They'll have your stuff still saved on here. Okay. And make a password. Okay, so look at the top real quick. Section 2 of 3, only 2 more sections left. First part was super easy, so let's get into it. And I'm going to explain as we're going a little bit more about actually what the limited liability company is, aka the LLC, and why you're going to need it. So an EIN number is essentially like the second part that you're going to want to get after your LLC. So the LLC is what keeps your business protected. The EIN number is like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you open a business credit card, a business bank account, and you're going to need it when you file your taxes at the end of the year. So 2 ways to get an EIN. One is you can do it through the IRS website. In this way, it is free to do. But I just feel like government websites are a little difficult to navigate. I would rather do it through Taylor Brands. It is $99. And if you guys don't want to choose either one right now, that's not a big deal. Just, check it out. Make sure you get that done later on. But for today, I'm going to have Taylor Brands do it for me. And every single year you have to renew your LLC. So the LLC, unfortunately, is not, you file it once, but every single year you have to renew it. It's not like it's just ongoing forever. So if you don't renew it, someone can take your business name. You can lose anything that you've kind of worked for. Obviously, not good stuff, right? So you do have to pay a renewal fee every year. And you will get email notifications about this. And then on top of that, if you would like Taylor Brands to renew it for you, there is an additional fee. Now, if you think you can handle renewing it on your own, that's amazing. And you'll just click this option here. If you want Taylor Brands to renew it for you so you don't have to worry about any extra drama, they will do that for you. I think it's $199 a year, which to save yourself from a headache might be worth it for you. Okay, we're going to hit no. And now, if you guys want your LLC in just one day, it's only $99 extra, or you can opt to wait for 2 weeks, still pretty fast, and that is free. And an operating agreement is another part of an LLC, which keeps Basically, if you have partners especially, it keeps everything divided so you know who has the responsibilities, who has the ownership, and things like that for your business. So it might be something good to check out. For me, it's just myself. I have a small business, so I don't need it quite yet, but it is something good to get later on down the line once you kind of have the ball rolling. Okay, and this is a formation kit that Taylor Brands offers. It's basically like a giant binder with all the paperwork that you're going to need for staying organized. So if you want that, recommend to check it out. That's also $99. If you already have your own system, just hit I don't need the professional look. And let's get notified about our LLC status. Okay, guys, we are already at the last section. Now, today at Taylor Brands, we are paying $0. Don't have to pay anything extra, which is amazing. Then you have your state filing fee. So depending on what state that you live in, the filing fee is going to be a little bit different for everyone. And this goes to the Secretary of State. So this is not a Taylor Brands thing. This is a government thing, and every state has a different number for your filing fee. Okay, you can see here, once you go down, all the other things that you can select or deselect depending on, what you want to pay for. We're going to get our EIN number. So today we're paying for just the LLC, and once that's filed, then you will pay for your EIN number. So it'll be two separate charges. Okay, guys, and that's it. So once you go through to pay, then you'll be in the process of filing your LLC. And after that's processed, like I said, then you will file for your EIN number, which Taylor Brands is going to do it for you if you selected that option. Now, feel free to check out Taylor Brands. They have a ton of other business-related stuff for starting your LLC or just starting your business in general. Highly recommend checking out the things that they have to help you out. You can even create like a really professional website, which is very cool and always a good impression for people to see. So I hope this was a little bit better understanding for you guys. But if you have questions, please leave them in the comments below. And good luck starting your business.